This is the moment I've waited for all my life, to open my heart and show you I've nothing to hide. You see the best in me, and I owe it all